I'm just going to backtest last week and see if there's any trades that I missed that I didn't take live and see what my P&L will be. So yeah, just at the start of London session now, moving bearish, expecting shorts out of here. Yeah, expecting shorts pretty clean. We do have this daily gap up here. It's like a no wick candle here. Let me investigate. Yeah, got daily no wick there. Previous day lows already been taken on ES. And it hasn't, and then we do have draws lower as well. Let's go on the 4 hour. 4 hour swing low. Got a gap down there, new week opening gap. And yeah, just want to see what kind of reaction we get out of here during London Open. So yeah, let's wait and see what we get on the 5 minute. Just waiting for a 5 minute gap tap as always. Okay, we're in a 5 minute gap right now. And I need to see 1 minute displacement. That's pretty good. We did inverse it though. We did inverse 5 minutes, so I need to see this get inversed really. I don't know why these keep changing colours, it's so annoying. Yeah, I want to see that get inversed. Okay, we come lower. We get the reaction off of this gap. It didn't push price lower, we're coming back up. It's still looking quite good. Didn't inverse it yet, good. Okay, now we're coming back up. Alright, now we inverse it. It's looking pretty strong. Probably will take this, to be honest. For 1-to-1, something like that. There's no way this hourly gap doesn't get hit, in my opinion. We've tried to go lower off of this 5 minute gap. We've tapped it so many times, once, twice, 3 times, and now we've displaced through it. So I expect this high to get ran and us to tap into that gap. So let me set up a trade. 500. Okay, nice. Go break even. Hopefully it doesn't reverse. Oh god. No. Nice. Nice. Cool. Now we get to that hourly gap. Now we get to the hourly gap. See what happens here. What other draws have we got? Need to have clear draws, otherwise there's no trade. So we've got Asia low down here. So let's see what happens. We've inversed the 5 minute gap. Okay, we've got 5 minute opened up. Nice. Oh, nice. Okay, we come back to a 5 minute. See what kind of reaction we get out of here. We're not really close to the draw just yet though, so this is a bit of an earlier trade, to be honest. Yeah, let's have a look, let's see what happens. Okay, we're holding it. Not seeing any inverse gaps yet. No, we didn't put in any bullish gaps other than this. I suppose we did inverse that, yeah. Maybe there was a trade there. Yeah, I missed that. That would have been a loss anyway. But we are so far away from the draw. Trying to catch a 4 risk to reward. The chances of us hitting that are just, it's not even worth it. I wouldn't have taken that anyway. So let's just keep watching, see if it comes back down. Okay. Have a look at ES. ES has got this high here. Still probably wants to be taken. We don't have that on NQ, do we? Oh, it's all up there. Fucking hell. Yeah, that's a big SMT. If we take that, let's wait and see what happens. I'm not really sure what we're doing at the moment. Okay, we're going lower. Nice. Okay, we're going higher. Okay, we're inverse of that 5 minute gap. This is pushing down lower. You can see these lows get taken. Hopefully, well, yeah, you can see we've got this big gap over here. So we've got decent draws. See what happens. Okay, we'll come back to this 5 minute. Only thing I don't like is we didn't close below that low, which is a bit worrying, but this is quite a good draw, so we'll wait, see what we get. If we can close below this low, looking at something like that. That's just not nice, really. I mean, it is still valid, to be fair. My stop loss would have to be up there. It does give me a 1-to-1. It's horrible wiki price action though. That is chop, that's the only problem. Yeah. Probably leave it, to be honest, to see if it would have won. No, it would have been a break even. Would have gone break even after that low's been taken. So yeah, it would have been a break even. Does it hit the draw? No. Mad. Okay. Okay. Delete that off because we haven't actually taken that. Okay. Tap the 5 minute. Pretty bullish. Thought we wanted to come for that draw, we didn't. We've taken fuck all really. That's kind of mad. Wick of this 4 hours, quite a good draw. I mean, even just this internal high is a good draw. So risk to reward to that. We've inversed that 1 minute gap. Just about. Oh no, we have because we've opened up there. It's a 1-to-1. I think that's alright. 5 minute tap, push, displays through there. Okay, let's give that a go. Jesus, what was that? Is that news? No, it weren't news. Alright, well, there's another winner. Nice. Yeah, still wasn't taking that. No one ES. I'm just watching ES at the moment. Not even looking at NQ. Just want to see ES hit that draw. There we go. Okay, now we've taken that draw. We've now tapped into this. I do really like that daily gap up there though, to be fair. We're not really creating any decent 4 hour, 1 hour structure. We did tap into this 4 hour gap. 1 hour. We've got this 1 hour gap down here. That opens up in 17 minutes. Probably wait for that. Okay, that opens. We've inversed that 1 hour now, have we? Yeah, we've inversed that 1 hour, but an in bullish structure. Got a 15 minute gap here. It's quite nice. Quite a few targets. Okay, we've come back. Oh, fuck, I might have missed something here. Come back to this 5. Kind of holding it, putting in really decent displacement. There's no gaps to inverse here though, which always sketches me out. It makes me feel like we're going to come lower. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay. We didn't deliver to that draw. We've now come back to this 15 minute gap. Hold on a minute. That's the 15 minute gap. Cool. So hopefully we get some decent candles. Nice, nice, nice. Yes, has swept that draw though into a daily FVG, so we don't really want to be just long in for the sake of it. We need some good confirmation. We are in a good gap, but we have got this 5 minute here. As long as we inverse this 5 minute, I'll probably get in. So let's see what happens. 3 minutes since it inverses or not. That's so strong. I probably will take this. And then break even at this high. So we didn't actually end up inversing that 5 minute. Fuck. Yeah, GG's. Yeah, that's my fault. Fuck me, was that news? Oh, that was news anyway. That was news half an hour before my entry, but yeah, alright, valid loss. Should not have taken that. Got a bit excited when I saw that 1 minute close, but no, instantly reverses. And then elevator runs now. Yeah. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. We still do have this daily gap up here though. We're now holding pretty nicely. We did get that hourly tap in here. 5 minute held this, delivering. Yeah, I just need to see another 5 minute gap really. New 5 minute gap please, new 5 minute gap. Okay, we come down. No idea what's going on here. Don't even know what to say. I'm taking that low. Holding the 5. Closed through the 5. Getting bullish structure back in again. See if we can get a new 5 minute gap tap. Need a 5 minute gap. Need a 5 minute gap. Okay, holding bearish. Holding bearish. We'd retap that hourly. Yeah, we've retapped that hourly. See if we inverse this 5. Okay, really strong. Inverse the 5. We've got a little 5 minute gap down here. Need to see a 5. Need to see a 5 minute gap. Okay, we tap the 5 minute gap. Need to see displacement. It's pretty good. It's a nice 5 minute candle. It's a nice 15 minute candle. Honestly, if we can like close up here, I'd be in. It's quite far. Because that's a daily gap. There's no way we don't hit that daily gap. Got low resistance above. Tapped into the hourly. Only 5 minute gap in the whole bullish leg that can continue price up after inversing this 5 minute is this 5 minute gap. It's a really nice push. The next candle should inverse it. Let's give that a go. Okay, still haven't inversed it yet, but we are holding this 1 minute. So if the next candle bursts through this, I'm still happy with this position. Okay, it's holding nice. We've now inversed that 1 minute. So let me just adjust this. Yeah, it's better, isn't it? So with this, I'll probably have to go break even, I'd say at this high, just to give this some room just to sort of trickle up, rather than go break even at some real small high here. So yeah, okay, so at this point, yeah, I'm debating whether to go break even or not on this, to be honest. Probably should, just to be safe. Okay. Okay, so it would have gone break even here anyway. Currently up a 1-to-1, just to see how price reacts at this internal high. Just thinking surely we're going to go for this daily gap now. Surely. Surely. Come on, big push. Fuck. Whoa. Jesus Christ. What happened there? We did have that other 5-minute gap there, yeah. With that tiny 5-minute here. Mad. Lucky there. Was that news then? 9:09. 7:09. There's no news event, is there? All events, no. Nice. Right, let's remove everything. Let's go to London. Let's have a look where we are. Okay, cool. So we tap that daily gap. We do still have that there, but I don't think we're going to come from that. Yeah. Oh, we inverse that daily gap here, to be fair. Tapped into that gap. Maybe we do come back to this, just because it's come back to that. And we haven't quite yet. 4 hour wise, this is looking hella bearish now. I think we do end up coming for that low, to be honest. Another 4 hour low just here. 4 hour low here. Still got that gap down here. Yeah, makes sense. Hourly. Hourly's not really reacting off anything, but we are inside this hourly gap. So we could see price go higher from here. We are in this hourly gap here. So not really seeing anything at the moment. It's a really bearish push though. 5-minute flip. Could be nice. Okay, we've just inversed that 5-minute inside of the hourly gap. This could actually be a trade, but where do you target? Miles away from any draws. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see. I'm not going to take this, but it would be interesting to see. Okay, well, this is actually looking really good. We now inverse a 5-minute again. We're now putting in a 5-minute gap. See if we can tap back into it. Okay, we tap. We are getting a rejection. See what happens. We've inversed it. We haven't inversed it on ES, and we seem to be pushing pretty nice. Not sure. Nah. Maybe we come for this low. We've inversed a 5-minute. We're tapping into this 5-minute. See what happens. Okay, we're pushing lower. Okay, we're coming higher. Okay, we're coming lower. Okay, we're coming higher. What the fuck? Okay, we open up a 5-minute. We've got Asia highs right here. Coming out of that hourly gap, open up a 5-minute. Still got Asia highs intact over here. So that's a good draw. See what happens. Need to see 1-minute fair value gap though to the downside to be able to inverse. Okay, we did kind of have a really small gap here. That is a really big push out of this gap. Don't mind it. Let's give it a go. Made equal highs. Come on. Damn. Alright. Maybe that little 1 minute inverse just was not powerful enough. Wherever it was. Yeah, that's a shame. But let's keep hunting. Let's keep looking. We've got a 5 minute here. If we want to hold this gap, we can hopefully inverse this. Nope. We inverse that gap altogether. Okay, this is now like in dog shit zone for me. Don't really know what's going on. Inverse a 5 minute gap again. Come back to a 5 minute gap. And we're getting a decent push. It's also 15. Any 1 minute gaps being inversed. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this kind of price action here at all. This just wants to be taken, in my opinion. They're not going to do nothing. Don't believe it. I don't believe we're going to go long from here. Okay, maybe we are then. Okay. It's just made more liquidity, really. We've just taken this. Maybe we reverse off here, come down, take some of this, and then we can get a trade. Let's see. Nice. Just building up that liquidity, that's horrible. We've got only 15 minutes, nothing, 5 minutes. Just don't like that price action at all. Okay. Now we're taking out the liquidity. Oh shit, we're taking out the liquidity and then we get the 5 minute inverse. Oh, I think this is the trade. One to one. This looks better to me. Okay, let's break even. Come on, boy. Yeah, nice. Nice. Yeah, just knew that needed to be swept. We didn't take it all, granted. We only took out 1, 2, 3 points. But yeah, then we got that huge displacement there. That's just telling you where it wants to do, where it wants to go. Yeah. Alright, let's go to New York. Okay, we're still going. We're still saying that previous day high, maybe. I don't know, you know, that's pretty solid swing high. Pretty solid swing high. I still think bearishness. Could look at the 50% of this wick. News. What was news? Oh. Okay, we're now at 50% of that wick. See what happens if we inverse a 5 minute or something. Nope. Okay, we push right up to previous day high. We've taken previous day high on ES. Could get an SMT here. See what happens in this 5 minute. Okay, what's that? That's news at 1:30. Why isn't it showing news events? That's weird. Okay, well, I'm completely clueless at this point. Maybe we go for this draw. Back inside this daily. Fuck knows. Actually, fuck knows. New York hasn't even opened yet. Okay, we come back to, alright, coming lower. Okay, we're in the 5 or 15. Big displacement up would be nice. Okay, it's pretty solid. Pretty fucking solid. See how this candle closes. Okay, it closes pretty good. We've literally got a couple of minutes till market open, but that looks quite good. Not going to take it, but that looks quite good. What happened? Market opened at what? Oh shit, market opens at 1:30, doesn't it? Oh, that's why. That's not news, that's market open. Well, maybe I should have taken this trade then, see what happens anyway. Okay. It's looking bearish. It's a good job I didn't take that anyway. Structure wasn't really there anyway, I can't lie. Trading this when it's got all of this here, it's just nasty. Right, it's getting really messy. Let's remove everything. Remind yourself where the draw is. I mean, we've come into this daily gap. Still in that daily gap here. I just don't even know. Don't even know what the draws are. Absolutely don't know what's going on. We've got these highs here. 1 hour. Get a decent 5-minute inversion out of here, could be good. Okay, we're actually holding a 5-minute, but don't like the fact we're in this hourly gap, so we'll wait. Still, okay, now we've inversed a 5-minute, which is pretty good. 1 minute, it's quite a good structure. Just need a 5 minute to be put in, and we'll long off that. Need a 5 minute, just need a 5 minute, stalling. Need a 5-minute gap to the upside if this hourly wants to hold. Okay, we've got a 5-minute gap. We haven't held it though. We've got the same problem going on here with all this low resistance liquidity. Don't like it at all. Let's see it get swept. Okay, it got swept. And then we put in a 5-minute. This is looking better. Now we've opened up a 5, so we get displacement out of this. Really nice displacement. I'm going to give it a punt, just a little 1-to-1. Something like that. Should be at break even here. Taking that internal high. Yeah, I'm taking that internal high. I'm just going to go break even, not even going to risk it for the biscuit. Let's see what we get. Okay. Ah, that's annoying. God, that would have been fucking good. Alright, fair. Right, we're now re-sweeping the more liquidity. See if we can actually take all of it. Take most of it. Okay. Now we're taking all of it. And still holding that 5-minute bearish. Still holding that 5-minute bearish. Okay, what am I doing? It's fucking 8 PM. Remove drawings, go to London. Cool. Right, we kept pushing up then through Asia session. But now in that little volume imbalance. Previous day highs right here. Previous day highs already been swept, so yeah, I mean, expecting shorts, look at this. We're expecting shorts for sure. Really want to see NQ ES take that high, but let's see what happens there anyway. Okay, we're pushing up higher. Okay, ES has now taken that. We are expecting a fucking pullback. We've taken everything. If we get any signs of a pullback, nope. Okay, see if we inverse this gap. Okay, we do inverse that gap. We're still in it on ES. I'm just going to wait an extra couple candles. Okay, we're still holding it. Yeah, I'm a little bit scattered out about this candle. I'm going to wait. Oh, okay. Still scattered out about that candle. Okay, now that looks good. I'm going to just fucking short this. Yeah, probably just go for a 1-to-1. It's quite a big stop. Oh, fuck. Don't really know where I go break even on this. It's just a... yeah. I'm looking at this 5-minute here, to be fair. Okay, we hit the 5 minute. We then inverse a 5 minute off that. I mean, this right here is the preferred setup, in my opinion. That's the better setup to London low, 100%. I want to take that. This was just more off of structure, but this is an actual trade setup. I'm going to take this. Just because if it loses, then fuck it, but it looks right to me. Right, I'm going to get out of that first position. So that doesn't even count now. This one doesn't even count. Got out of break even, whatever. But this is the actual trade setup. You can just remove that off. Coming out of that 5 minute. Yeah, this is good. I need to go break even. Yeah, that's the much better, cleaner setup that I should have waited for. We had the 5 minute gap here, all this fucking around and shit. Yeah, nice. I'm happy what I did there. Yeah, happy with that. Because this is probably just going to tank. I mean, you got all of this here, so see what happens. No, maybe not then. Oh, yeah, look. Fuck, could have been a nice trade. Oh my god. Fuck, hold on, there's probably a trade setup there. Let me go back. Okay, we've got, obviously we know it's going to keep coming down. We've just seen the next couple of candles, but that doesn't stop it being a trade setup if there is a trade setup. So we're looking at these lows here. We need a 5 minute gap tap. Yeah, no. Okay, we do actually open up a 5 minute. We've edged that low on both pairs, so this is absolutely fucking clean as fuck. As long as we tap that 5 minute. Nah. Okay, we tap it. Decent. Fuck. Yeah, well, that would have, I probably would have entered mid candle probably here with an instant BE, targeting a 1-to-1 in real life. Would have been like that. At this point, I mean, I would have been afraid to enter mid candle the whole way down until we get like down here, and I'm like, fuck, this ain't gonna come straight back up. That is showing severe displacement. So yeah, it would have been around that low sort of thing, like that, and then I would have just gone break even at this low. So it's like instant risk off. It's like a free trade. As soon as I entered the trade, I'm basically preventing myself from losing. And they would have targeted a 1-to-1. Just because the draw is there. And obviously I'm just trading the fact that we might go past it. So yeah, that would have been a winner in real life. But yeah. Alright, cool. Well, that was a good trade anyway, nonetheless. This one up here. Now what we actually got going on. So we're coming from that volume imbalance. Still holding that daily gap. Inverse a 4 hour gap in 2 hours. We're not going to come all the way back up there. I don't even really know where the next draw is, this gap. Yeah, well actually, we're in the 4 hour now, so it's a bit sketchy. It's a bit sketchy, so we'll wait. Let's just draw out that 4 hour gap. Yeah, we're in this 4 hours, so it is a bit sketch. Whoa, what the fuck is all that? Let me clear all these off. Oh. Let me just rechart this back up. 4 hour. What the hell? 1 second, boys. We're in this 4 hour, but the reason I'm not holding any weight here is because we've inversed all of these. If this was going to continue price up, we'd be coming off of here. In fact, we're reacting out of this gap, all the rest of it, like, this is showing me bearishness. What's the time? 2:30. So we've got an hour to open because it opens up at 1:30, so we're just going to wait an hour. Big push, big push. Yeah, right. Okay, we're holding that 4 hour. Right, we're now tapped into this 15 minutes, so now we need to really consider what's going on here. We've got this New York low here. We've got this London low here. See what happens in this 15 minute gap, because this ultimately should be what holds price lower. See what we get. We've got no 5 minute gaps here though, it's the only problem. Need a 5 minute bearish gap. Okay, cool, we got one anyway. Bullish gap even. We're still holding it. Still holding it. Let me just tidy this up a bit. So we've got this 15 minute gap that we're in. And then we've got this 5 minute gap just in here, this really small one. And we've been holding price up, but look how many times we've tried to hold price off of it. Nothing's happening, so we'll just wait. Okay, really good displacement. It's opened up a 5, opened up a 5. Oh, fuck. Okay, we've edged it. Okay, oh shit, now we've inversed. Well, we haven't technically inversed it yet, but realistically I want to see this candle close back down in here. Okay. We now come back to this little 5 minute. It's really good, but to be honest with you, I need to see something really crazy here. That's good. Yeah, we held that 5 minute, come back to that 5 minute. Yeah, we've inversed that. This is just choppy price action. Yeah, we've got this hourly up here still. I'm really sure what's going on. We kind of are holding this at the moment, but we've got this 5 minute here, which is the big problem. Oh shit. Okay, we did actually inverse that 5 minute, which is good. We've opened up a new 5. Did we just tap that? Yeah, we just tapped that 5. Alright, this is looking good, boys. We get really clean displacement out of this. We've already tapped it, so I just need to see clean displacement. A bit more. Okay, re-tapped it. We've inversed that. This is looking good, brother. Yeah, this is looking good. We inverse this 5, showing that bearishness is now back in. Come back to a 5, tapping that 5, and then what we're getting from that 5, we're invalidating this. You could say that this gap here could still hold it, so you might just want to anticipate the next candle's going to drop, and you can do that. But technically, we have inversed this 1 minute gap here, so this should go lower now, basically. That's what I'm thinking. Yep. Yep. Banging. Absolutely banging. Absolutely banging. What's that next draw? That was London low on it. See what happens, because now we've got an hour and 45 minutes, but we're showing such bearishness. See what else shows up. Yeah, I mean, I don't even know now, to be honest. Taking that draw. Okay. See if we inverse this 15. We do. No 5. We've got 5 minute gap up there. Kind of missed that. See if we open up another 5. Nah. No, that's it. That would be all the draws taken. It's now like 7 PM. Yeah. Cool, let's go to the next day. Let's go to London. Wow, this is just screaming to be taken. We've already come back to this hourly gap. Let's have a look over here. Oh, we've got this new week opening gap that we've tapped, but we do have that low here still, so we have an S&T. We'll come back to that hourly. Yeah, we're rejecting out of that hourly. Not really seeing much else at the moment. We've just taken this, so you've got to be very careful. That would have been a take profit. We do have a 5 minute gap here though, if we want to continue going. See what happens. Here we tap it. Oh shit, we're displacing. We've inversed all those gaps. Fuck it, I'm in. Fuck. Should have really known after taking that liquidity. It's a bit early just to jump in. Yeah. Okay, so it's the same thing again. We've just taken this liquidity now. We have got SMT. Tapping into this. See if we inverse this big 1 minute gap. See if we inverse this. What the fuck? That is just no way near good enough. We could open it up to this low, but I'll be honest with you, it's quite a stretch, asking for 70 odd points, but it does look quite good. Don't know, I might fade it. Yeah, good job I faded it. We're already taking a loss. Let's wait for something super clear. Wait for something super clear. London sessions just started, really. We've got this nice hourly up here though. Really nice hourly up here. See what happens. Okay, we take that draw. Come back to that. We didn't actually take that draw there. Right, hold on a second, boys. We haven't actually taken that draw. We've pushed down. Come to this 5 minute. No 1 minute inverses anyway. Okay, now we've come back to that 5 minute. Now we've got that inverse. Yeah, this is cool. You have to go break even here. Now we've taken that draw. Hopefully we keep pushing down to here though. No. Okay. Okay. So we're on 1 break even, 1 loss for today. Got this hourly up here that I like. Got this low resistance liquidity building up here. Just gonna sit and wait. We've taken that draw now, so hopefully we get a big push back up. No, just keep pushing down, and we do end up taking it. Fuck, that's annoying. That is really, really annoying. Oh, it is what it is. I mean, that's the real draw, isn't it? Yeah. But we're just building up this low res. Got the hourly up there still. See what New York wants to do. See what happens if we take this low. Might get a reversal. It's just all shit. Okay, we've actually taken that low now. Fuck, what's that? Don't know what that is. Okay, we tap that hourly. Jesus, this is a nice rejection off that hourly though. Don't know what that is though. That 5 minute, what the fuck is that? Okay, quite like this. We've just come back to this little volume imbalance here, coming out of this 5 minute, decent rejection out of it. Really nice. Not really sure what I'm shorting to here though. That looks good. Not really sure how break even is going to work with this, but this looks good. Come on. Okay, good. Alright, we're inside of this big gap now. Need to be careful. Just wait and see what happens here in the 5 minutes. Happening to that 5 minute gap. I'm going break even there. I'm not risking this. We're tapped into this 5 minute gap. This should hold price lower. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just going to take my profits here. Don't like this. This looks like it's going to reject. Fill this wick. Could come up higher. Take out this low res, etc. Actually, no. Fuck it. We'll just leave it. It's quite a nice swing high. See, let's just see what happens. Oh, fuck! We got edged so hard there. I don't know if we're coming lower or not. This is sketchy. I'm just going to manage super aggressive. Fuck it. Go to this 1 minute fair value gap mitigation. I'm just going to keep trailing. 1 minute gap mitigation. We've inversed it. Fuck. Okay, we keep going. Let's go here. Are we actually going to take out this draw? Okay, 1 minute gap mitigation. Okay, fine, whatever. We'll take that. Fucking hell. Jesus, look at the balance. Look at the balance. We got lucky there, though. We got lucky. That was a lucky trade. Oh, fuck, this shit takes ages, bro. One more day left. Let's get into New York. At least we made back that loss. We've inversed at 15, taken out the low res, tapped into the hourly. This still looking like a valid place to target. Still moving hella bearish. Kind of already mitigated this, so not really sure why I'm aiming for that, but yeah, fair. Fair dues. What other lows have we got? We've got this big low down here, haven't we? Let's actually have a look at the structure here for a second. Right, we've got a London low here. Yes, it's got an SMT at the moment, which is interesting. Inside that weird volume imbalance, we've also got this low here. It's a very significant low, to be honest. What did we just come back to there? 15? Nope, it's got that 15 above. Okay, not really sure what we're going to do here. Just wait for something really clear. Okay, we come back to that 15. We haven't quite tapped it on NQ, or ES hasn't really got one. So we tap it again. No, we're just sort of just selling off. No 5 minute gaps though, so no 5 minute gaps. Nothing for me to see here. Nothing for me to see here. Nothing for me to see here. And Jesus, we edged that. Okay, still nothing for me to see. Right, well, hopefully we get something down to this next gap. We've inversed the 5, we're pushing up. Should have probably looked for a trade in here, maybe on that. Something like this. Wouldn't have given us a 1-to-1 anyway. Okay, what is going on here? What have we just done? Come back to fuck all. Come back to fuck all. It's actually an hourly gap. It's actually a really nice hourly gap. Yeah, don't know what's going on here. Just chop. Okay, we come back. Can we tap it? It's quite a decent rejection out of that, to be fair. We haven't inversed the 1 minute yet, though. Oh shit, we go back. So, yeah, we would have inversed it there. Didn't tap the hourly here on ES, so that's the only concerning bit. All the draws are sort of taken. Coming out of a gap down here. Do I really want to risk it? got all this low resistance liquidity here though, bro. Honestly, don't mind it. Honestly, don't mind it. It's a bit sketchy. Just see something like that. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, that's so nice. We'll just go break even straight away. It's not even fuck about. We're up 1-1. Yeah, this should be good. This should be good. This should be good. Boom! Fucking killing the charts. Oh my god, look at the reversal. So technically, oh, we're inversing at 5 minutes, yeah. Is that 15? Okay, we're in this 15. Not inversing to 5. No, we haven't inversed to 5. Now no, we don't. This 5 is holding like a bitch. Okay, we inverse to 5. We've tapped to 5, we've inversed to 5. Now what? To be honest, like that is the trade, I think. Where to? This low? Okay, we're going break even. Straight up out the door. Okay, we take a break even. Fair enough. Yeah, we've inversed to 5 minutes. This is just chopping out. I'd really want to see price probably get like down to this low, and then if we get a 5 minute to the next low down. It's looking so bearish though from the 1 hour perspective. We do have these sort of, I don't really tell that these are low resistance right now. They look quite structural. Okay, we're holding that 5 to come up, take the low res if it is low res. Yeah, okay, we're taking that now. Don't want to see it come much higher than that. We inverse that 5. Yeah, this could be good. We've taken out this. We've inversed this 5. Let's just see that 5 minute get tapped, please. No, we don't. Fuck, should have been in this. Can we come to... Okay, well, fuck me. Jesus. I don't know what's going on there. Right. No idea what's going on there. It's now 8 PM at night. Let's go to London. Oh, that's the end of the session, is it? Oh. Okay then. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the results. 8% win rate. Oh, we didn't have Friday. There we go. Just under an hour back test. Oh, fuck me. It's a grind, isn't it? So we took 1 loss. 2 break evens. Break even, break even. Break even, break even. 3 losses. 1, 2, 3, 4 break evens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wins. So there we go. Didn't actually manage to trade Friday though for some reason. Maybe I didn't set it up quite right, but yeah, there we go. Did we not trade Friday? We didn't, did we? Got to Thursday. Yeah. All right, cool.